Hi, and in order to remove the jet trace, you need to first understand how it works. Jet is an object. On any object in Roblox Studio you can apply many effects. In this case it's called trail. Apparently this trail was imposed by the game developer on a separate part of the jet mesh. So we can try to destroy this part of the jet and get rid of the trail. But if we just try to blow it up, the jet will break. To help us will come Lucky Block.
Don't f***ing call this mystery box.
In many actions that can perform Lucky Block, there is such an effect when all the blocks in radius of 21 stats overlays glass material and they are repainted in gold color. At this point we can blow up the nose of the jet at a distance of 6 stats, to which trail is attached. But reloading the build every time until we reach the desired Lucky Block effect will be stupid, so we dupe them. For those who didn't know, in order to dupe build we need to go beyond this place, with build attached to us. Load the build, return, and that's it. You can copy the chair on 2 stats, but it will copy on 2.2 stats, so the blocks will be slightly separated. Your choice. Here I will add a camera that will look directly at the Lucky Blocks. The distance between the camera and the Lucky Blocks is at your discretion. I will put a glue block under all this construction, so that when all the Lucky Blocks will work, they all fell through the ground. I advise in addition to put behind the blocks dynamite, that the balls in the Lucky Blocks do not leave themselves and do not play music while exploding and scattering TNT. Here I want to remind you that the jets should be within 21 stats. You can put this build away from your main build and move all jets to it with pistons. Oh, and yeah, push piston into a wooden block, cause it will fall apart. To press Lucky Blocks very fast I'm using Autoclicker, the link in the description. And that's it! You can apply this to your missiles that shouldn't have this trail, airplanes and so on. Thank you for watching, bye bye!